Show me the path that leads me through. Hold my soul where hope breaks through, for all my trust belongs to you. So here I walk, surrendered to the presence of your grace, knowing you will lead me through each fragile sacred place. Forever I will follow, for your love has carried me. My Jesus, guide my footsteps into all you've called me to be.